Slightly moving, you're getting hidden otherwise.
Like this? Thank you.
मैम लुक हियर प्लीज
राजू जी लेफ्ट साइड में देखिए
मैम सेंटर
राजू जी लेफ्ट साइड
सेंटर प्लीज
इधर लेफ्ट साइड समोर राजू जी काजल मैम तुमच्या समोर समोर
मैम समोर समोर समोर
समोर राजू जी इथे मॅम लेफ्ट साइडला बघा
बोलायची काही गरज नाही.
मॅडम एकदा समोर समोर मॅडम लेफ्ट साइड
Okay, thank you, thank you.
आगे नहीं जाने का श्रुति मैम लुक सेंटर
मैडम जी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड
मैम ये
श्रुति जी राइट में श्रुति जी यहाँ पे
मैम लुक सेंटर
श्रुति यहाँ पे
सेंटर सेंटर मैम मैम सामने
यहाँ पे
कितने प्यार से बोला.
फिर भी आप नहीं देख रहे हो मैडम
मैम एक यहाँ पे साइड
Thank you.
नौ देवियाँ 10 देवियाँ
शैडो आ रहा है पीछे से फ्लैश मारो
everywhere
Thank you.
10 देवियाँ
Come, let's do one.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
What's that?
Yeah, come.
पूरा मेरे ही रन कर
हाँ बेटा
स्मार्ट
झंडा तो लगेगा ही नहीं
Wait, take for me.
पूरा चाहिए पटकन
मैम स्टैंड लो
Okay? Not there, but 1 second. Okay, one more. Sorry, one more.
पटकन पटकन
Too late.
और के फोन और के
Thank you.
थैंक यू ऐसा तो नक्की चांगला आहे
Yeah, there is one-on-ones happening with it.
into the room
Where are you going? Bye.
Where are the others?
Where are the others? That's
So all the Devis without whom this film wouldn't have been possible. They are slowly trickling in one by one. Yashaswari, please come. Please come. Mukta, Neena, please come. Shivani. We are missing two more. We are missing. This is Sandhya ji. She is also in the film. Shruti is coming in like 2 minutes. So again, like earlier, I'm going to throw the house open because there's been a request that they want to ask some questions. So, especially Jitesh. No, but I really want to say that this film wouldn't have been possible without the cast, because it is they all believed in the film, they all believed in the script, and then of course their love for Ryan and me also helped a lot in the process. But this story was really needed to be told, And when the script came to Ryan, and Ryan came to me and he said, we have to make this film. I said, yeah, we'll make this film. And then he suggested this star cast. So I was like, this is not going to happen, Ryan. I mean, this is really we are overestimating ourselves. He said, but we should try. And it's actually his vision. He was the one who actually saw this cast for this film. And then from there, in about 6 months, we made this film, and we are here today to celebrate its release today. And I'm really happy to announce that it was dropped at 4 o'clock, and by 4:10, we already had more than 1.2K likes. So I'm really happy that it's getting the traction that it deserves, and I think this message needs to be, Ryan, please come on stage. Ryan, so in case anybody has any questions, please.
Other than Kajal, they're in this purgatory, kind of in between mode. Is it because they don't believe in God? Is believing in heaven or what?
Where's Priyanka? Come here, Priyanka. She's the writer and the director of the film. She'll be able to answer this question far more than anyone.
I know Kajal is praying, but
Yeah.
otherwise, why are they in between? Is it because they don't believe in heaven anymore?
Priyanka, there's a question for you from Sonali. She's saying, why are they in this in-between space? Is it because they don't believe in God anymore?
But Kajal is praying. But
Oh, that is a way to interpret it for sure. But it's just because they are dead. So they are not, they're not alive anymore. They've been abused in different ways. And this is a state of purgatory. So it's somewhere between heaven, hell, being alive or not. I know that they're behaving very realistically in the film, so it doesn't feel like it is hell or heaven. But it's basically that. It's really open to interpretation. Yeah.
I just thought it was like a riot situation. Karan wants to say that.
Riot situation. See, Priyanka,
Well,
it really is
I
open
have
to
say-
interpretation.
I have to say, in the row that I was sitting on, only Sonali and me are the brightest sparks in this
The
row.
only ones who got it, that's true.
On my left and on my extreme right, some very prolific members of the media did not catch the subtext of your very beautiful film. And yeah, but obviously the deep end of the row I'm not talking about, just the tip of it. The so-called editors and couturiers have not got it. But I have to say congratulations to all you wonderful women. It was such a beautifully layered and nuanced film, and I think it unfolded so beautifully, especially towards the end. I got the fact that everybody was in transit mode, but it's the rape angle that really hits you hard, especially with the entry of the little child. I have to say more power to all of you wonderful actors who have actually agreed to do this, because I know that it really takes special talent to pull something like this off. And I think whether it's all of you, it's Shruti and Nina ji and all the wonderful, and Kajal, we love you. And the fact that, you all have lent your name to this project, I think really completes what Ryan and Niranjan's vision was. Congratulations on writing it. It's a stunning pieces of 10 minutes that I haven't seen something so beautiful in a while. So congratulations.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you.
And I love the way it's so layered and it's so applicable for so many things in today's world, what you've written. It's amazing.
No more questions.
No more
right?
questions. I
Thank
guess.
God.
It was just the front row that had questions.
They should, because they were very questionable also.
Of course, we love all of you here, and especially Nina ji, we love you too so much. Mukta, Kajal, Shruti.
Are we done?
I'm sorry. Fabulous.
We're done.
Really, really
Yeah, I
good
think we're
job,
done.
all of you. Sorry.
Done for the evening. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Very well done.
Thank you.
Devgan, I'm having a real Devgan. I went with 2 changes also.
एक्सपीरियंस आपने देवी शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Niranjan and Ryan have been dear friends. I've worked with Niranjan for so many years. We've been friends for so many years. So for me, it was such an important day कि उनकी एक short film आ जा रही है. And the film is so good. It's so very good. It touches you. It moves you. It speaks about facts that are happening. And I think that films like this should be made to get even more awareness. And it's really a heartwarming film. I mean, it really touches you, and it's something that we all should make such films like this, get that awareness, and things like this should not happen, and they are still happening. and I really think films like this should be made to, and these kind of things should stop. I mean, that's what I could say.
Alright, so देवी शॉर्ट फिल्म के बारे में आपने देखा तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में? हम कितनी कैसे लगी आपको?
Devi, everybody is calling it a short film. I would love to call it a very strong film. It is something that sadly needs to be told to people. And बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से दर्शाई गई है कहानी. And it's very topical. Sadly, जैसे मैंने कहा, this is the story that needs to be told. And I'm so happy that such stalwarts of performances, such stalwart of actors, they have agreed to do a subject like this. And they have agreed to give their faces, their voice to it. And I just wish Ryan and Niranjan a very, 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 very big congratulations on this.
We can get any changes in the situation that's going on.
It's very hard hitting here. And we'll make sure that everybody can voice and share this. And more people should watch it so that the message is out there.
बाकी मेरे साथी कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
बाद में पक्का. अभी यहाँ अच्छा ही लगेगा इसे.
उड़ा दे, क्या बोलने का है?
जल्दी निकाल.
फिल्म बीट एनएम
शॉर्ट फिल्म देवी देखी तो थोड़ा सा बताइए कि कैसा रहा?
ये बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. मैं जब शॉर्ट फिल्म देखने जाता हूँ ना तो मैं कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखता हूँ. कितने एक बड़ा ही अनोखा एक्सपीरियंस होता है इन जनरल. बट आई हैव टू से इन द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट शॉर्ट फिल्म आई सीन. क्योंकि बड़ा हाई कॉन्सेप्ट है. जब पिक्चर शुरू होती है यू डोंट रियलाइज क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि इतनी सारी औरतें, और अगर आप देखेंगे स्टार कास्ट बड़े डिफरेंट प्रकार के लोग हैं, तो आप कह रहे हो यार ये लोग एक कमरे में कर क्या रहे, और जब वो सस्पेंस खुलता है बड़ा मजा आता है. सो इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म बिकॉज बड़ी रेलिवेंट है. अभी मैं एक पिक्चर कर रहा हूँ गिल्टी करके, उसमें भी बड़ा सिमिलर सा सब्जेक्ट है. सो मेरे दिल के बड़े करीब है. अलॉट यार. आई सी द थिंग इज हम कभी प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि कितनी अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करेगी, पर जितनी ज़्यादा फिल्में बनेगी, जितनी अवेयरनेस और बढ़ेगी, आई थिंक कंट्री बेटर होती जाएगी. हमें वी शुड कीप स्प्रेडिंग द मैसेज. जी आई होप सो. मैं हमेशा उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मर्द जब ये देखे तो सोचे, अपने अंदर देखे, झांके, और कि कहीं, क्योंकि आई बिलीव द गुड एंड बैड इज इन एवरीबडी. यू हैव टू मेक अ चॉइस कि आप किसको ज़्यादा नर्चर करते हो. अच्छा और बुरा हम सब में है. सो यू हैव टू चूज दैट. यू गॉट टू चूज टू बी नाइसर. मैन नीड टू रियलाइज दैट देयर एंगर एंड देयर स्ट्रेंथ कम्स बिकॉज they've been made like that, but they should never let that come on top of a woman, because women are beautiful and they're equal to us. There's nowhere ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि औरतें ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैन ज़्यादा. सब इक्वल है. एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट जो भी हमें नेचुरली दिया गया है उसका दुरुपयोग ना करें. थैंक यू. लव यू.
ऑलराइट, सो श्रुति जी कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस? हमने देखा मतलब ऐसे सोशल मैसेज के साथ में दिल को
बहुत ही
करने वाली है ये show.
हाँ जी, बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट पहले आई निरंजन और रायन के थ्रू, जो इलेक्ट्रिक एप्पल्स के प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं और मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त भी हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग, हार्ड हिटिंग और इम्पैक्टफुल स्क्रिप्ट है. मैंने कहा ठीक है. जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा तो मुझे इतना आई वाज सो मूव्ड एंड सो टच्ड एज अ वुमन, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एंड आई फील वेरी ऑनर्ड एंड हैप्पी दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस.
फिल्म से हमारे इंडियन सोसाइटी में थोड़ा बहुत चेंज आएगा या फिर चेंज नहीं आएगा?
आई थिंक
बातें करेंगे.
हाँ जी, अवेयरनेस एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप चीज़ होती है. शायद एक ही पल में एक बड़ा चेंज नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन छोटे छोटे कदमों से एक बड़ा डिफरेंस आ सकता है. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन सच स्टेप.
एंड 2020 में आने वाले आपके अगर प्रोजेक्ट अगर आप शेयर कर सकें, हर किसी को इंतजार रहता जब आपकी कोई फिल्म अनाउंसमेंट होती है.
हाँ जी. तो अभी तमिल में मैं एक फ़िल्म कर रही हूँ लाभम, और तेलुगु में एक फ़िल्म क्रैक. एंड हाँ, अभी के लिए वो है ऑन माई म्यूज़िक इन द UK.
सिंगल एल्बम कुछ ऐसे?
हाँ जी, इंडिया में हम कोलैबोरेशंस करने वाले हैं.
तो किस तरह का जॉनर होगा? लाइक सिंगल एल्बम में रोमांटिक देखने को मिलेगा हमें सूफी?
आई डोंट नो, इट डिपेंड्स. थैंक यू.
So from the